Hello everybody, my name is Dan Hebert, manager of Regeer Farms. Welcome to our new enriched housing system. Some of the benefits of the enriched housing system include scratch pads where the girls can go and scratch. There's scratch feed, which is also available for them. Plenty of perch space so that the girls can roam, jump up and down, play and frolic with each other. There's also a nesting area where the girl will go and lay her egg for us. Here at Regeer Farms, we take biosecurity very serious. It's not for our protection, but it's for the protection of our chickens. Visitors coming from other properties, other backyard flocks, parks, lakes, and so on, have the opportunity to bring in rare diseases that we are vulnerable to. Here on the farm, we change our footwear when we enter the barn. We don't know exactly what we've walked through, so it's very important for us to have footwear that's clean to our barn. Here on the farm, we have approximately 2 weeks worth of feed storage. We feed our birds a well-balanced diet consisting of wheat, corn, and other minerals. The computer system here records everything. Lights are on, it does that. Feed, water, high and low temperatures are also recorded here on the computers. I can record daily consumption, grams per bird, anything you want, this computer can do. Here we are inside the barn. You will notice the drinker lines near the back of the system with little red cups to prevent spillage and any excess water getting onto the manure belts. The white belt underneath each system is our manure belt. We run that belt approximately every 3 to 4 days, taking all the manure out of the barn and holding it in a storage, which we can then put it on our field. The small trough in the middle of the system is for scratch feed. I can give the girls a little afternoon snack if they need it. The white perch stands help them to exhibit natural behaviors of jumping up and down. Here is the nesting area. It is shadowed, which helps the birds feel calm and naturally want to lay their eggs. Here is the egg belt. We want to move those eggs off the belt, get them to the front to get you the best egg possible. Once the egg is laid, it rolls onto an egg belt. The egg belt then brings it to the front of the barn. It travels up a conveyor and comes to our egg packer, where we then stand, sort through any jumbos or cracked eggs that may have come. It takes us approximately 2 hours to gather 19,000 eggs. We gather our eggs twice a day. As soon as they're collected, they are stored in the egg cooler, after which the egg truck driver then picks them up, brings them to our local egg grading station, where they are washed and graded and then put in the appropriate packaging. Thanks for coming to Regeer Farms. Feel free to go pick up some eggs at your local grocery store. There could be a good chance they're coming from our farm.